Oh man, let the party begin. All right, you guys, we're out and about tonight. We're down here on SR7, got a minivan down off the edge, clear down in the bottom there. Got Dustin down on the bottom rigging, got the Jeep here just in case we need a little extra length and a little winch. We've got the Winterton rollbacks, we've got the 550 and the Duramax here. We'll see what we can come up with. Starting to get tight. All right, I had to move some stuff around up here.
No worries. It's coming out smooth.
It sure got a lot of pressure on it.
I can't imagine why you're dragging it up a cliff.
What are you seeing?
She's coming straight up. You're almost to the end of your rope though.
I can see that. I think I'm gonna move your truck over right here.
Okay, sounds good. Right there's good.
I don't know how much you know. Watch that line. right, I'll pull her forward. Well, we're getting there. It's a nice night tonight.
I agree. Nice and warm.
Murphy's diesel, the more lights the merrier. Get them babies lit up. All right, well, that was a pretty basic winch up. Had to just winch that up out of there. I didn't know which truck it was going to end up on, but it ended up on the 550. It was a better angle. But big old rocks, a big old 4-foot ledge down there in the bottom. That probably would have been a good one to try to film during the day, but you know, that's not when the calls come. We work 24/7. 365. We got trucks on the road, and got the Winterton 550 and the Winterton Duramax rollbacks out here today and got the job done. We brought the Jeep as backup. It's always better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So I loaded the Jeep and brought it with me. Pretty good little recovery there out here on Sand Hollow Road, SR7, I guess you could say. So luckily she was okay, and we winched her up out of there, and we'll get it back over to the yard and we'll go from there. Man, what a party we had. We had a good time, so thanks for all the support on the channel. We're grateful for each and every one of you who get out there and share and like and subscribe. We're having a dang good time. We're not going to change a thing, but love getting out and about doing our job. We've been more than blessed in life, and it's a lot of fun to share it with all of you guys, and we sure appreciate all the support on the channel, and we will catch you on the next one. Well, good morning. Man, it's been a crazy couple weeks. We stay busy this time of year with all the festivities, with the holidays and singing engagements and all of the fundraisers and different things we get involved with. But we are out and about today in the Winterton 550, and we are headed out to Anderson Junction to meet up with the officer from Bureau of Land Management, who has another trash vehicle that we need to get gathered up and get off of public ground so that it doesn't leave a big old mess. but we are headed out there, and it's going to be a rollback on a dirt road day. We're kind of just off the main drag there, and we're going to see what we can do to get that gathered up and see how that goes. But we'll get up the road here and we'll take you along for the ride this morning. Okay, you guys, you wouldn't believe it, but I have this car that's pretty similar. We don't know. I have a 77 Corolla. We don't know if this is a Celica or a unknown Toyota. It kind of looks like a Corolla. See, even that piece of chrome's no good. That's too bad. It's awesome. Good power steering, so that's probably a Celica. Ain't much left of it.
70s maybe?
Did you get a release on it?
Yeah.
She's toast, man.
You don't think you can fix it up?
I would like a couple of the emblems and a couple of these pieces of chrome off of it. Looks like a Corolla maybe. That's what I get to gather up today, ladies and gentlemen. All the miscellaneous that goes with it. It's too bad because I have a beautiful Toyota Corolla that looks just like this one.
Really?
This is probably a Cressida or a Celica or something though. No, it looks like a Corolla. What a shame.
Wonder if that was the driver's seat right there.
They drove it out here on a chair.
Oh, that's still attached.
Oh.
It's not kind of like plastic.
Look at that thing. It's been laying there for a lot of years. Antiquities here. Look at these babies. Better run. Well, that didn't load too bad. That front rotor caught on the back of the bed and it spun that whole car around like that and then loaded it right on there. So you guys just think I'm good. I got lucky's all. Well, that wasn't too bad. Just slipped back in the trees there, and they're building a new reservoir over here, and they've got this BLM ground here that's pretty neat little spot. But that car's probably been there for 30 years or more. I'm guessing, but what a trip back in there. But no problem getting it loaded. Got a little lucky on the twist and the turn that it did, but we are headed back towards Ballard's Auto Wrecking. We'll drop this girl off. We got a release form from the state and the BLM so we can get rid of the thing. So it's always nice to get out here and clean up our public ground and do a little loop-de-loo around through there and pick up a bunch of miscellaneous garbage and glass that we threw in the car, and they'll be able to crush that with the car and call her good. So thanks for jumping in there for a Winterton rollback on a dirt road today. Got the old Ford 550 working for us, and she's doing a good job. So thanks for jumping in there. Thanks for all the support on the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one. All she wrote. Now it's properly disposed of.